Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Supreme Nige here, back at it with a brand new Droplist video. Today we got part of the fall winter 2020 week 2 drop list. This week is mainly highlighted by the Nike Supreme collab, which comes with many pieces including a crew neck, a ripstop pants, ripstop reversible jacket, and some sweatpants, and also a soccer jersey that comes with those as well. Unfortunately, we don't have the full drop list today, as Supreme community only released the partial drop list today. Anyways, let's get right on into reviewing the drop list. So I'll be starting off with the least hyped and making my way up to the most hype from the bottom to the top. And as always, the better sizes to go for the resale is definitely going to be the small or the extra large sizes. So the first item is the marble track pant, and honestly this item is nothing that special to me. It's not that cool. I mean, the black one might be okay for the resale, but anyways, none of them are really looking that great. Probably a pretty big brick. I think these will sit on the site for a while, so I definitely do not recommend copying for the resale. But if you do like it, by all means go for it for the personal. That also goes for the track jacket. It's basically the same thing but on a jacket. Black one's probably going to do the best if you want to even try to make a little bit, but I think that's a really a risky cop. Just more of like a personal item. I will definitely not be going for either of those two pieces. So moving on, we have the sweater. This one is honestly not that great. It's pretty fucking trash. I think it's just lazy and boring. I don't like the design on it, and I just don't really like how when Supreme does all that profanity words and stuff on pieces. It's just not my style. I don't see this performing that well on the resale. Probably more of a personal item. Again, pretty trash. I am not going to be going for that. Next item, we have the street scene jacquard spring summer top. This is an all cotton with jacquard graphic. I don't believe this one will do that great as well. The best colorway is definitely not going to be that green. I don't really like that. It's pretty ugly. Best one is going to be that reddish kind of colorway, the regular kind of color, but still I think this piece will brick. I will definitely not be going for that for the personal or the resale. Moving on, we have the first piece of the Nike collab, and this one is the jewel striped soccer jersey. This piece is pretty clean, but I'm personally not a fan of soccer, so I will not be going for this for the resale or the personal. This piece out of the whole Nike collab is probably going to sit on the site for the longest, so if you guys are a fan of soccer and you want to go for these, definitely go for those. You will probably manage to get those a manual cop easy. Next item I'll talk about is this Receipts rayon spring summer shirt. This piece is pretty trash in my opinion. I think the black one is definitely better than the white. I mean, it's just a whole bunch of random receipts plastered on a fucking jacket, but there is a lot of mini box logos splattered around, so that might contribute to a little bit for the resale, but who knows. The black one is definitely going to probably perform a lot better, but I am personally not going to be going for that as well. Next piece is the Big Stitch hooded sweatshirt. This piece is pretty fire in my opinion. I like how they have the whole contrast stitching and all that, and oh, it's actually, the logo is embroidered on there, so that makes it about 10 times fire. I like pieces that have embroidery. It adds a nice high quality detail to it. This piece is probably going to perform pretty well in the natural black and maybe the light olive colorways, but any of the other colorways I don't really see doing that well. If you guys want to try to go for that for the resale, I definitely recommend getting a smaller extra large size in those three colorways I just talked about. I will probably be going for this for the maybe a natural colorway more down the line, my later carts. But moving on, we have the S logo sweatpants. I think these are pretty fire. Now this is an item that I do want for the personal because I don't have any Supreme sweatpants myself, and also no S logos. I have seen a lot of people give a lot of hate to this item because of the whole repeated box logo that makes the S logo, but I do personally like that. I do think it's pretty fire. Anyways, moving on, we have the military camp cap. Honestly, this one's not that great. It's not really that fire of a camp cap for Supreme. I don't even know, what does it say on the back of it? Oh, okay, that's just like some coordinates or something like that. The freaking camo ones look like some Minecraft type shit, but the colorways are pretty trash. But even though it is pretty trash, it'll probably resell a little bit just because the giant box logo on it. I'll personally not be going for this. Next, we have another piece of the Nike collab. We have the jewel reversible ripstop pant. Now this piece is fire. This piece is a fire piece. I like the fact that it's a reversible pant and the colorways are super fire that comes with this. Comes with the black, orange, and like an icy blue colorway. I really like that icy blue colorway. I think that's my favorite out of all of them by far. Also, if we take a look at previous Supreme Nike pants, the resale is looking pretty nice on these. I'll probably be going for these. When my first or second cart for the resell. Also depends how the EU drop goes, so to make my final decision on what my game plan is going to be for on initial drop. But anyways, moving on, I will go to the S logo hooded sweatshirt. I will definitely be going for this to go along with the S logo sweatpants. I'll probably try to get a matching color in my size so I can keep it for the personal, but yet again, this one it'll probably resell just because it is such an iconic logo for Supreme, but the colorways are really not that great. I do believe the black, the gray, and maybe the purple or the red might do the best, but the lime green, that white, and the navy is definitely not it. Definitely try not to go for those, but it's definitely a risky cop for those colorways, but definitely try to get an XL or a small size. Next piece is the Jules sweatshirt for the Nike collab. I do believe this piece is pretty fire. I do kind of want to get it for the personal because I don't have any Nike or Supreme sweatpants, and I do believe that it is getting to that winter season. I do want to get some sweatpants for the personal, but these will also perform pretty well down the line for the resell in every single colorway, I believe, and that goes along with the reversible ripstop anorak. This piece is actually pretty fire. It is reversible just like the pants. I'll personally probably be going for this for the resell in my first or second, probably my first cart, because these will probably sell out the fast, but that piece is still fire in my opinion. So next piece is the mini flask. I do believe this piece is very small. Oh yes, it is only 1.5 ounces. That is tiny. This piece is definitely not all it is not all there. This piece is just plain, just with an embossed logo on the front. I do not personally like this. I will not be going for this. I do think this is probably more of like the brick accessory of the week. We definitely have a better accessory coming out this week in the chair, which I will be covering in just a sec. So the last piece of the Nike collab is definitely the more hype. The best piece from this collab is the crew neck. I will probably be going for this in one of my first carts for the resell. I do like that white icy blue colorway, but I don't think it has enough icy blue on it for me to go for it. I think I'm just gonna go for like the black colorway in the XL. That will probably resell the lot. If you look at previous Nike crew neck, they do resell quite a bit later down the line if you are able to hold them for a while. So next is the most hype piece of this week, and definitely a piece that I need for the personal collection. I need it for the background or just to have it sit on in my room, and this is the metal folding chair. This piece is fire in my opinion. It's the powder coated steel folding chair with embossed logo, 18-inch seat height. So that's just like a normal folding chair seat height, but I do like that red colorway. I need that for the personal collection. I know it's pretty plain and simple, but it's still fucking fire. In my opinion, I need it. I'll probably set up my mobile bot to go for that on drop day, just because it'll sell out really fast. So if you guys want to see a video on like how to cop Supreme and maybe like what bots to get that'll help you cop, so just let me down in the comments below for that. But if we look at previous Supreme chairs, they are obviously gonna resell a lot, and the longer you hold them, the longer they go up in price. So definitely, it's a definitely fire piece to hold if you are able to get your hands on one of those. So definitely hold it until it reaches the price that you're looking for. But anyways, that is going to be the end of this drop list video. If they make any changes to the drop list, I'll make a shorter video covering only those items that they changed. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys are going to be going for this week, hopefully. And if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like and please subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Anyways guys, good luck on drop day and peace.